So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use in making my chapatis. I have some sugar and salt mixed together, and then I have a food color which is called egg yellow. Yes, and then I'm going to use cowboy. In my basin I have some all-purpose flour, and I've measured it the quantity that I wanted, and I've added in the egg yellow color. Next I'm going to add in both sugar and salt that I had measured earlier. So first I'll have to mix in the dry ingredients together and make sure that everything has mixed up well. And then next I'll take some cooking oil, like 2 tablespoons, and then add in to the dry ingredients. And then I'll also mix up and make sure that everything again mixes together. Then I'll take my hot water and pour in. Guys, this will make the hot water mainly makes your dough to be soft. Only remember, when the kneading the dough is the secret that makes your chapatis either soft or hard. So use hot water when kneading out. So as you can see, I've mixed up all the ingredients and I've formed the dough. So I'll knead for some few minutes until the dough becomes very soft and stretchy, as such. Yeah, and then I'll knead again for like 2 seconds, and then put it together and cover it. Yeah. So I'll take a clean nylon paper that I usually use covering up, and cover it up like 30 minutes so that I can do other stuff. So yeah, so it's now after 30 minutes and my dough is already soft and tender. So I'm going to roll it out a little bit and then cut it into 2 halves. So I've taken 1 half and I've covered it back in my basin, and this one I'm going to roll it and make some rolls from it, so stay tuned. So after rolling out the whole dough, I'll smear some cooking salad on it, and then I'm going to cut it into slices and start making rolls. So yeah. So you make sure that the whole salad is well spreaded, and then I'll take a knife and start making the slices, and then start making the rolls, as you can see. So you make sure your dough is not that big, or you can just make the dough any size that you want. Mine will be that size. So these are the sizes that I made from the dough. They're around 18. So I'm going to roll out after 20 minutes and start cooking them. Yeah. So finally, here we are. This is one of my chapatis, and you can see it has layers and it's soft even by the look of the video. So yeah, so guys, I hope the video was helpful, and please consider subscribing. See you next time.